Text, LG refrigerator.
How to use refrigerator smart diagnosis with the LG ThinQ app.
A woman gets a message on her smartphone. It reads, "The door of refrigerator is open." A panel on the refrigerator features the smart ThinQ symbol. On-screen text, intro, Wi-Fi enabled smart diagnosis, Wi-Fi not enabled smart diagnosis, after smart diagnosis, more info.
The LG ThinQ app on your smartphone can be used to perform a smart diagnosis on your compatible LG refrigerator and connect you with LG customer support should there be any issues.
A refrigerator in a kitchen.
To do this, your refrigerator needs to have the smart diagnosis capability.
The logo depicts a plus sign in a circle next to a cell phone.
Refrigerators with smart diagnosis capability have the smart diagnosis logo. LG Smart Diagnosis uses the refrigerator's main board to provide a report of the unit's performance.
A red circle around the smart grid Wi-Fi symbol on the refrigerator. The app interface on a smartphone.
For units that are Wi-Fi enabled, when your refrigerator is connected to the mobile ThinQ app, you can click Smart Diagnosis on the app, and the app will give you a readout via the Wi-Fi connectivity.
A red circle around the LG ThinQ icon.
Open the ThinQ app on your smartphone. From the top right menu, open the Smart Diagnosis option. Select the appliance you want to diagnose and tap Get Started to begin the procedure.
Text, product check is in progress. Did not detect abnormal operation. Green checks next to temperature sensor, fan motor, evaporator defrost, etc.
The ThinQ app will display the details of your refrigerator's performance and also indicate any issue that requires attention. If there is an issue, you will see an error code and description, along with maintenance tips and other features.
A woman drinks near a refrigerator in a kitchen.
For refrigerators that are not Wi-Fi enabled, you can press and hold a set of buttons on the unit's control panel if the unit has the Smart Diagnosis logo.
Owner's manual French door refrigerator.
The buttons to press can vary by model, so please refer to your product owner's manual.
Buttons next to the water/ice dispenser.
When you press the buttons, the refrigerator will then emit an audio tone from a built-in speaker located in the upper right-hand door hinge.
The interface includes buttons for washer, refrigerator, refrigerator 1. A red circle at the bottom of the smartphone.
The ThinQ app will use the smartphone's microphone to pick up that tone and then translate what the refrigerator's main board is reporting.
A red circle with a diagonal line over the smart grid Wi-Fi symbol.
Even though the refrigerator is not connected to Wi-Fi, on the app you can click on the refrigerator, click Smart Diagnosis, hold the phone close to the speaker, and follow the instructions in the owner's manual to start the diagnosis.
The link reads, LG service.
After performing the smart diagnosis for Wi-Fi or non-Wi-Fi models, you can tap on the link at the bottom of the ThinQ screen for troubleshooting guides. Select your product category and product name from the lists. Enter the keyword related to the issue to find the target content. Then choose the content link related to the keyword.
Help library. Find helpful information about your LG product. Ice is overflowing the bin.
You will find content with a detailed explanation and a video for easy troubleshooting. If you need to contact LG customer support, click on the bottom left of the screen. Then enter your telephone number to forward your diagnosis to customer support agents.
Confirm. The diagnosis results have been sent to LG's service center. Would you like to call and speak to a LG customer support representative? No, yes.
You will receive a confirmation and be asked if you require direct contact with a representative. If so, tap yes. If there are no issues that require attention, you will see the results indicating that product operation is normal.
LG.com/US/support. Logos for Twitter, Facebook, and icons for chat, email, and telephone.
For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.
This video is provided solely for informational and instructional purposes. This video is not intended to replace the product's owner's manual. For complete information on product use, setup, or assembly, you should consult the owner's manual and any other documents provided with the product. The information contained in this video may contain inaccuracies or typographic errors and is subject to change without notice. LG is not responsible for any direct or indirect damages or injuries that might occur while you are using or relying upon the information provided in this video. Depending on its model, your product may differ in appearance from the products shown in the video. Also note that for instructional purposes, the video may depict the device operating faster than in reality. For any further questions concerning your product, please contact LG.com or LG Customer Information Center. This video shall not be copied, distributed, or reproduced, in whole or in part, without the prior written authorization of LG Electronics. Copyright 2022 LG Electronics. All rights reserved. LG is a trademark of LG Electronics Company Limited. Any other company names, product names, and marks are the property of their respective owners.